Palantir smashed it out of the park today with earnings. There's no two ways about it. Let's take a look at why this stock is up about 20% today on fantastic earnings. Now, slow your horses. This is indeed a day with very good macro news, and this plays into this sharp rise in stock price. The whole market is basically green today on macro. However, this does not take away from the good results that Palantir produced. Remember talking about this in the past? I think it was a quarter ago. We talked about possible inclusion in the S&P 500. This looks a lot more certain today. I know some haters down in the comments had no belief in this company, but today they showed us where the locker's supposed to stand, and they delivered on expectations. They more than delivered on expectations. They crushed it. I think it was 25% beat on earnings per share compared to the analysts' expectations. Let's just quickly get this video out showing some of the highlights of the quarter here from Palantir's own investor relations website. So some of the highlights here that I looked over before making this video is not only this cash from operations margin of 24%. We've seen them having high margins in the past. Remember, in the beginning of this company, people were doubtful, is this a consulting company or is it a software company? And they shut those critics down, and then it was all about profitability. The company is not profitable. It's not going to be profitable. They have slow growth, no profits. Then they shut that down as well, showing profitability. And this is indeed the fourth consecutive quarter of GAAP profitability, as highlighted in investor relations. It's a big feat from Palantir. And we can see this high margin, and we pair this together with the growth in revenue. That means we have a good top line and a good bottom line, and this is something that's really propelling stock price higher. We see this fantastic revenue growth, especially from commercial revenue, that's growing a lot quicker than the government revenue. And in the earnings call, we also heard the CEO Alex Karp comment on this, that alright, it's in the commercial sector in the US where the money is. And as an investor who has a bit more than 1,000 shares in this company, it's great to see that they're indeed focusing on the profitable part of the market. The US economy is the holy grail for a lot of European companies. That's the first market that they're looking to expand into, since there's such a huge market there. There's a lot of profits to capture. It's a very wealthy economy indeed, and we can see this massive growth in the biggest economy in the world. So just fantastic news. Congratulations to all of the Palantir shareholders. That's been it, highlighting this amazing top line and bottom line, showing where this stock surge is coming from. And we still have some bullish events on the horizons with an inclusion in the S&P 500. It means that the hedge funds, the institutions that are having these index funds, are eventually going to be forced to buy Palantir shares to balance, to stay compliant, and that will put further upwards pressure on this stock. So just all in all, an amazing day today for Palantir shareholders. Big congratulations. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, and as always, I hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.